Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, July the 29th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8990. Yeah, 8990. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 15 printed digits should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 15, but it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Yeah, the first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Let me check for dual boxes. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? Only one triple box here. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, this box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the 1 could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. I see here one quadra box. Well, these two boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So one box left with the 2 in this quadra box should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Alright. No quadra box more. So my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 or a 4 here. Then, oh, here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do you have more of these kind of shapes? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle, we have only 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. Then, let me see. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. This box, I think this box should be also 3 and 4. Because it can be 1, can be 2, could be a 3, could be a 4, can be a 5, yeah. So here we have a pair, 3 and a 4, that means... these 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4, those 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, supposed to be here. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 And this box can be a 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box, so 4 and 5. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be a 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1. Can be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there. We have a double 4 there. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Is connected with that box. Should be so 5. Is also connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Well. 1 and a 2. Yeah. Let me see. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Need a 5, need a 1 here. These 2 boxes can be 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So I only place level 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. So I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. The other pair in this area are the numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Then let me see. Well, come on. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there, and this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 here. So the only place level 3 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. That means that we need a 2 and need a 1 here. 3, 4, 5, 1 or 2 here. Come on. This is taking too long. 2, 1, 2, 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be a 2. The 2 is in the same area. Can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 3 and 4. We have 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 3 goes and there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier. The 3. We have a 3 now. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. So the 1 and the 2 are left. 1 and a 2. Okay. This box can be 3. Oh, wait. 3 or 4, we have a 3 now, so this box should be a 4, is connected with that box should be so 4, 1 box left in this quarter box for number 3, 3 to 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 3, we have 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more, that box will be a 3. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 3, we have 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more, that box will be 3. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and a 2. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 to 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left. Oh, wait. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 3. Let me mark those. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here, so 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 3. 4 or a 5. Well, I think this box should be a 5 then, because we have a 4 there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be, and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be, and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be, and a 3 goes there. 3 to 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Go up. Well, I think this box, let me see. Well, this box could be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, could be a 4, 1, 4, can be a 5, 1, 4 is connected with that box, 1, 4. 3, 4. Come on. This is taking too long. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 1 and a 3. This box can be 1, can be 3, can be 5, so 2 numbers left, 2 and a 4, okay. Interesting. This box can be could be a 1, could be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. 1 or a 2, okay. Same for here. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 no more. That box will be a 5. This box can be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. So 2 numbers left, 1 and a 2. So here we have a pair. The other pair should be the 3 and the 4. Is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and the 4. Can it be a 2 here? I've marked this box with a 2. I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 should be there then. Yeah, 3 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Here should be the 1 and a 2. I think this box should be 2, because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there. Can be a 5, yes, definitely 2. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for 5 in this area. Supposed to be here, 2 numbers left for those 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. These 3 boxes, surrounding 5 can be 5, so 1 box left for 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. This is 3 and a 4. I think this box should be 1 or a 2, because it can be 3 or a 4. We have double 3 there, double 4 there. It can be 5, yeah. Yeah. Okay, these 3 boxes surrounding 2 can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 or 4, we have a 2 now. So this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left, 1 numbers 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. I think this box should be 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 3. 3 or 4, we have a 3 now, so this box should be a 4, is connected with that box, should be so 4, 1 box left. I've marked this box with 3 or 4, we have a 4 there, so this box should be a 3. 3 or 4, we have a 4 there, so this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Then, let me see, 1 or 4, we have a 4 now, so this box should be 1, is connected with that box, should be so 1 box left in this area for number 5. 1 or 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there, 1 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 or 2, we have a 1 now, so this box should be a 2, so final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and 3 goes there, finished in 14 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this 1 star, and we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, we do the thing. So, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow on Tuesday. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then. Bye bye for now.